When precision meets innovation, the future is forged from metal. It all begins with an idea, and the question, how can a component be manufactured smarter? With less material, less tool wear, higher efficiency.
At ProBeam, we are proud about our advanced technology. Together with the experience of our engineers, we have a strong driver of true innovation.
Electron beam welding and additive manufacturing with electron beam combined. Metal printing precisely and highly efficiently onto the solid structure. Seamlessly fused, layer by layer, thanks to the precision of the electron beam. Here, energy takes shape. Every beam, every seam is the result of experience, precision, and passion for technology.
With the new concept of hybrid manufacturing, we combine the experience of decades of using electron beam technology together with the freedom of additive manufacturing. This strongly impacts to the production. It gets more efficient, smarter, and at the end also more sustainable.
Technology is only as strong as the people who master it. What is created here is more than a component. It's a step into the future of manufacturing. More efficient, more precise, and more sustainable.